Above the sparkling waters once stood the mythical forgotten isles that were home to magical creatures and, for the most part, friendly dragons. Each of the dragons was colored differently and possessed some very special powers. Some of them could breathe fire, while others could make rain or magic growths in plants. The Forgotten Isles were a place of wonder, watched over by one gallant dragon known as Ember. Ember noticed that something was wrong. The green forest turned brown, rivers dried out. The disappearance of these fruits that dragons loved so much was happening. Ember knew she had to find out why and save her home. Ember climbed to the highest mountain to see the wisest dragon, Sage. He explained that the magic of the islands was beginning to run out because something called the Heartstone, which was the source of all magic, had been stolen by the most powerful dragon, Grimstone. Without it, everything crumbled. Ember began a dangerous journey to reclaim Grimstone and the Heartstone to take back to her home. She had her friends to keep her company: Luna, the glittering night dragon; Blaze, a fire breather; and Tilly, who made plants grow. They flew over the sea, through fog, and over rugged mountains. The challenges were not small, crossing a windy canyon, outsmarting sea sprites. Ember and her friends turned out to be clever and brave, helping each other get over obstacles. They reached the cave of Grimstone. He was a rather old, grouchy kind of dragon, lonely actually. He took the Heartstone to become the strongest dragon and claim all the islands. Ember and her friends told Grimstone about the importance of Heartstone. They showed him just how lonely he was and invited him to join the journey to bring cheer back to Forgotten Isles. The mistake made Grimstone realize how wrong it had been. With Ember egging him on, Grimstone replaced the Heartstone to its position. Back it was, and the Forgotten Isles glittered once more. Forests wearing their green robes, rivers flowing, magical fruits reappeared. With Grimstone now a friend, the beauty of the islands improved. Ember threw a party with her friends in Grimstone, restoring fun to the Forgotten Isles once again. Ember and her friends learned that anything is possible with bravery, kindness, and teamwork. And Grimstone realized that being part of a community which cared was far more important than being a powerful loner.